Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Facebook password. If you have forgotten your Facebook password or lost access to your Facebook password, you can simply reset just by doing all the steps that I'm going to do in the video. First, launch your Facebook app, and after that, you have to type down your mobile number or email address that is connected to the account that you want to recover your password. Type down your mobile number or email address and you do not know your password, you can simply tap on the forgotten password which is on the bottom just below the login option. So here we could see we are required with our mobile number, but you can also do that by you tapping on the bottom that says email address instead. And after you type down your email address, tap on the continue option. And here we could see the account like this will just pop out. But if the account will not pop out of yours, you can tap on the option that says try another way, which is on the bottom. And here we can see in order to confirm that is my account, a code will send it to my email address. So in order to enter the code, we have to let's go back and check our mail. And right over here we could see simply copy the code over here and go back to the Facebook page and just enter the 6-digit code over here. And after that, tap on the continue. And here we could see we need to enter our new password. And after that, you can simply tap on the next option and then you will be successfully reset your password of your Facebook account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.